Imagine building the next Chat GPT, even if you've never written a single line of code. Here's the shocking part. Thousands are starting artificial intelligence from zero in 2026. And you can too.
Think artificial intelligence is only for programmers? That's the biggest myth. Discover the simple roadmap that students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and even beginners are using to enter the AI revolution. Step 1. Learn basic Python. It's the language powering AI at companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. Here's the shocking part. You don't need to master advanced math on day 1. Focus on logic and solving real problems first. Next, explore machine learning where computers learn from data instead of fixed rules. Imagine teaching a child using examples. That's exactly how AI learns. But that's not all. Build small projects like a chatbot or image classifier. Every project becomes proof of your skills. The hidden secret? Artificial intelligence changes daily. Keep learning, follow trusted communities, and practice consistently. The future belongs to AI. Healthcare, finance, robotics, cybersecurity, and education are creating amazing opportunities. But remember, AI is powerful. Learn to use it responsibly, because ethical AI will shape tomorrow's world. Starting AI in 2026 isn't about being a genius, it's about taking the first step today. Your next project could become the next unbelievable innovation. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights.